Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School Isapur online classes. This is your EVS class, and we are going to study a treat for mosquitoes topic anemia. Anemia. What's that? So, this is a conversation between Aarti, Rajat, Nancy, and Jaskirat. So, let's see what they are talking about. You know, I also had to get a blood test done. But they took a syringe full of blood. The blood test showed that I had anemia. Rajat says, "What is that?" Aarti, the doctor said that there is less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. The doctor gave some medicines to give me strength. He also said that I should eat jaggery, amla, and more green leafy vegetables because these have iron. So, eating jaggery, amla, and green leafy vegetables is useful to increase hemoglobin level or iron in the blood. So, Nancy says, "How can there be iron in our blood?" Jaskirat, there was something about this in the newspaper yesterday. Rajat, he is laughing and saying, "So then you ate iron or what?" Aarti, silly, this is not the iron used to make these keys. I don't know exactly what it was. After I ate a lot of vegetables and whatever the doctor had said, my hemoglobin went up. So when she ate healthy food, her hemoglobin level went up. So here is a blood report for you children. Let's see. The test has been done by Dr. Lalpath Labs. The patient's name is Mrs. Anjali, 48 years, and she has been tested for hemoglobin level. Complete blood count means CBC. So, what is the level of hemoglobin in her blood? It is 14.20 grams per dl, and the normal range is 11.50 to 15. Normal range is for all the women or female, the hemoglobin level in the blood should be from 11.50 to 15. ओके इसके बीच में होना चाहिए. अगर इससे कम है 11.50 से कम है तो वो लेडी या वो पेशेंट अनीमिक कहलाएगा. मतलब उसके ब्लड में हीमोग्लोबिन की मात्रा कम कहलाएगी. Okay, so this particular person is not anemic because the level of hemoglobin is within the normal range. Let's see anemia. What's that? So in anemia there are red blood cells in the blood, and in an anemic patient these red blood cells are less in number. So you can see this person's hand looks a bit pale, and here is a pinkish hand. In this person it is normal, so the person is not anemic and has a lot of blood cells in the blood, red blood cells. But here in this particular person the red blood cells are less. So what are the symptoms? Fatigue, irregular heartbeats, chest pain, weakness, shortness of breath, cold hands and feet, and pale or yellowish skin, dizziness or lightheadedness, and headache. These are some of the symptoms of anemia. Fatigue means to feel very tired all the time. So anemia common in Delhi school. 17 November 2007. This is a cutting from the newspaper. Thousands of children studying in the municipal corporation schools in Delhi suffer from anemia. This is affecting both their physical as well as mental health. So the child is not able to grow physically as well as mentally. They are feeling very tired and less energetic. Due to anemia, children do not grow well and their energy levels are low. This also affects their ability to study properly. So when you don't have proper energy, you won't be able to study. Now health checkups are being done in the schools and health cards are being made for all the children. Anemic children are also being given iron tablets. So having these iron tablets, the children can battle this anemia deficiency. These are two reports of Aarti. This was taken in the month of June, and here is a follow-up in the September. So earlier, Aarti, who is 12 years old, was said to be anemic. Why? Because her level was 8 grams per dl and the normal range is 12 to 16 grams per dl. So it is 8, which is very low. So she was considered to be anemic. But in September, her level was 10.5 grams per dl. Even though it increased, but it is not within the normal range. So यहाँ पर भी उसको अनीमिया अभी है, पर वो पहले से बेटर है, लेकिन उसको और हेल्दी फूड खा के अभी और बेटर होना है. So, seeing this report, we have to answer these questions. Look at Aarti's blood report and find out the minimum required hemoglobin. So what was the minimum required hemoglobin? It was this, the normal range between 12 to 16 grams per dl. Minimum required hemoglobin in Aarti's blood report is 12 to 16 grams per dl. Question 2. How much did Aarti's hemoglobin go up and how long did it take for that? Answer. Aarti's hemoglobin went up from 8 grams per dl to 10.5 grams per dl. It took 3 months for her hemoglobin to raise. Question 3. What does the newspaper report say about problems caused by anemia? Answer. Newspaper report tells that anemia is affecting both physical as well as mental health of the children suffering from it. Due to anemia, children do not grow well and their energy levels are low. This also affects their ability to study properly. So this is what we studied in the clip. Now for your homework, you have to answer these two questions. Have you or anyone in your family ever needed to get a blood test? When and why? Question 2. What was found out by the blood test? So children, I hope you understood the importance of iron in your blood and eating healthy for having proper levels of iron in your blood. We will meet again in the next class.